Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to share now what is going to happen because Shani is ending its retrograde and now becoming direct. This particular transit is very important for you because it is seen that since last 4 and 5 months was really difficult for each zodiac sign. People were facing problem in their love relationship. Everything there is lot of delay in your business, delay in your money, and every other work was getting delayed. But now every one of us will be in relief because from 15th of November now Shani will direct on in the zodiac sign Aquarius. So in this particular video I'm going to share the prediction what is going to happen for each zodiac sign in coming months till March. As till March 29th of March, Shani will sit in Aquarius, and after that, Shani will move on to the Pisces. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about each zodiac sign, how positive this particular transit would be for you, and what all things you have to be conscious during this time. Not only this, as 2025 is coming, and from March 29th, Shani will move to Pisces. So in this video, I will be going to help you out what all things you have to prepare before Shani enter into the Pisces, and along with that I will be going to help you out with the remedies also so that you will be overcome any type of challenges and the setbacks in your life. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. And why always in my video I share the remedies, because before any bad event happen in your life, and if you do the remedies, then the intensity of that intensity will be less. So first zodiac sign is Aries. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the lagna. If Aries is your moon sign or ascendant lagna, then this prediction is for you. For till March 29th, Saturn is going to sit in your 11th house. 11th house, which is a house of the prophets. 11th house, which is a house of the manifestation. So it has been seen that since past 4-5 months, your desires was not fulfilled. Whatever you were manifesting, there you are getting the delay. If your promotion is due, there you are finding the delay. And if you are into a business, then it is seen that there is a lot of delay in your business being seen. Your money was stuck somewhere. But now good news is this, that now Shani retrograde is ending. Now Shani will move straight in Aquarius in your 11th house. So if you are into a business and your money is stuck, then there is a very high possibility that you will be able to get that money back. If you are facing challenges and a problem in your business, then you will see improvement in your business. Your business will start growing. If you are into a job and your promotion is due since long, then this is a good time. With the blessings of Shani, you will be promoted. This is a time because Shani has created a lot of problem in Aries, Lagna and the moon sign people in their love life and the married life also. So this is a time where I can't say that 100% things will be solved in love relationship and the marriage life, but you are going to get a lot of clarity in your love relationship and the married life, and gradually and slowly you will see that things will positively move in your own favor. So this is a good time to start a new business. If you are thinking to start a new business since long, perfect time to start a new business. If you are a student and you are looking for a job, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get the job successfully. On 29th of March 2025, Shani will move to Pisces in your 12th house. So when Shani will move to the Pisces in the 12th house, so you have to control your expenses. So Shani stays in one zodiac sign for 2.5 years, and on 29th of March 2025, Shani will move to Pisces. So before any event happened or before any transit happened, the effects in your life started happening in your life before 1 month back only. So you have to be conscious about the negative things that may happen with you after 29th of March 2025. be prepared for it. The day when you have watched this video, then start doing the remedies also. So once it is going to move in the Pisces, it is seen that you have to control your expenses. You will be going to become more religious. That's a good thing. But it is seen that you will be more isolated. You will be more into your own world, and there will be more frustration and irritation around it. For that, you have to start doing the meditation the day when you have watched this video, so that you are preparing yourself for 2025. For the meditation, link has already been shared in the description. Along with that, you have to do the remedy. What you have to do, you have to do this remedy for 3 Saturday, the day when you have watched this video. You have to light up a mustard oil lamp, add a little bit of wheat in it, rice in it, and you have to add black till in it. Along with that, you have to chant Shiv Chalisa daily. If possible, then try to feed cows green vegetables. It will help you to overcome the challenges you may face, because when the Saturn is going to shift sign is Taurus, and this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the Lagna or the ascendant. If Taurus is your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. Saturn retrograde is ending, and now Saturn will move straight. For you, Saturn is sitting in your 10th house in Aquarius. So for you, the Saturn is a main planet for you. It is a Yoga Karak for you. So this particular transit is very positive for you, because Saturn is now sitting in your 10th house, which is a house connected to your career, which is a house connected to your good karmas, which is a house connected to your hard work. So it has been noticed that since last 4 and 5 months, you were not able to get your results of your hard work. But now Saturn is going to move straight. So now you will be started getting the results of your hard work. If your promotion is due, then there is a high possibility you will be able to promote. If you are looking for a transfer, then this is a good time to take the transfer internally in the organization. It is a good time if you are into a business and your money is stuck, or you are facing a lot of setbacks and the problem in the business, then there is a high possibility that you are going to see a lot of expansion in your business, and now your hard work is going to pay. So without Saturn, nobody can get the success, and Saturn is all about your karma. Saturn is all about your hard work. So this is a time where luck will be your side. Your hard work will start paying off, but you have to control your expenses, because there is a high possibility that you are going to do more expenses. So during this time, you have to control your expenses. If you are looking to purchase a new property, or you want to sell out the new property, then also this is a very good time to go ahead. Or if you want to do the construction of a house, go ahead with. If you are looking for a marriage, then since long it is seeing that you are getting the delay in the marriage, or your marriage was fixed, but because of some reason that is getting delayed, or since long you are not getting the good proposal. So now with the blessings of the Saturn, you will be started getting the good proposal, and your marriage yoga is activated. There is a high possibility that you will be able to get the good proposals, and you will be engaged, and marriage will be going to take place for you. So this is a time of happiness for the Taurus people. So this particular transit is very positive for the Taurus people. Just few things that you have to take care of, that try to take the actions. Like if you're looking for a marriage, then you don't think like that the marriage proposal will come by its own. You have to take the actions, because Shani is a planet of the actions. So if you want the results from the Shani, then you have to take the actions, and things will be successfully done. So it is said that if time is in your favor and you are taking the actions at that particular time, you will be able to get that thing easily. So now this golden time has already come in your life. Now it's a time to take the actions in your career, in your business. Now it's a time as well as in your personal life, in the marriage also. If you are going to take the actions, then the results will be your social status will increase, and the best part that is going to happen is that you will become more emotionally strong. So this is what is going to happen. Now in the end of the March, Saturn is going to move into the Pisces. For you, Saturn is going to move in your 11th house. 11th house, which is the house of the prophets, which is the house of the manifestation too. So this is a good time for you. It is seen that during this time, a lot of your wishes will come true. As it is seen that Taurus people usually are very materialistic. So you will be going to become more religious. So balance between the materialistic world and the religious world need to be there. But otherwise it's a positive time. Your priorities will change, your desires will change, you will start taking the actions. But one thing that you have to take care of, being when the Saturn is going to move into Pisces in your 11th house, so you should start working on the discipline, start organizing, start working on your finances from now only, from the day when you have watched this video, because before the Saturn enter into that particular house, you have to prepare yourself and you have to do the remedies. So this is a very positive time. So very few times such type of yogs come in our life. So I would suggest that start taking action, start doing remedies. Taurus, it will be your time now. So what you have to do, you have to light up a lamp. You have to do this remedy for 3 Saturday, the day when you have watched this video. You have to light up a mustard oil lamp, that is a 4 batti lamp. You have to add wheat, rice and black til in it every Saturday, continuously for 3 Saturday. Along with that, daily chant Hanuman Chalisa, and possible then try to chant Shiv Chalisa also. This will help you a lot to overcome the challenges that you may face in the future. Third sign, Gemini. So this particular prediction is based on Gemini moon sign or the Gemini Lagna or the ascendant. If Gemini is your moon sign or Gemini is your Lagna and the ascendant, then this particular video is for you. For you, Saturn is for the Saturn retrograde is ending, and now Saturn will move straight in your 9th house. 9th house, which is a house of your father. 9th house, which is a house of the religious dharma, and it is a house of your luck also. So it has been noticed that since last 4-5 months you were struggling a lot with your luck. Things was not so good for you. You were so confused, and you were facing a lot of problem in your family life too, in your career, and whatever the hard work you are doing, you are not getting the results of your hard work. But now this is a time to relax. Now things will become better for you. So right now it is seen that since last 4-5 months you were facing a problem with the relationship with your bosses also. But now with the blessings of the Saturn, because now Saturn will move straight in your 9th house, so now you will see that you will be going to see an improvement in your career. Relationship with your bosses will improve. Relationship with your father will improve. Not only this, your father luck will also improve. Overall, it has been seen that your hard work will started paying off. If you were struggling in your business, then you will be going to see a growth in your business. If your promotion is due, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get promoted during this time. You were struggling a lot with your mental health since long. So now you will be going to get more mental clarity. Whatever the confusion you were having in the life, that will be solved. It is seen that since last 4-5 months there was a lot of differences being seen with your siblings, with your brother and sister also. So now things will be better in your life. Whatever the family problem you were facing since long, that will also be going to solve. So during this time, for coming till March, there will be a sudden financial gains. There is a high possibility that you are going to travel, and that will be the long travel for you. So this is a good time. Shani is in your favor. Luck will be your side. So till March, try to complete all your pending tasks. Take the actions. Work towards it. Things will be in your favor now. So after 29th of March, Shani will move into the Pisces, and it is going to move into the 10th house. So when Shani will move into the 10th time where your expenses will increase, you may face a problem in your married life. So you have to be prepared for it. I mean to say, when I say prepared for it, that means that start doing the remedies for it. Before that even happen in your life, if you prepare yourself and you do remedies, then the intensity of the problem will be less. But that is a good time after 29th of March. It's a good time if you are looking to purchase an own property. Then luck will be your side. You will be able to purchase a property, and you will be able to sell out the property also. To overcome the challenges that you may face because of the Saturn being moving into the Pisces in your 10th house after 29th of March, what you have to do is that you have to do this remedy for 3 Saturdays, the day when you have watched this video. Continuously for 3 Saturdays, you have to light up a mustard oil lamp. You have to add wheat in it, black till in it. Along with that, you have to add little bit of rice and light up a lamp, and that should be a 4 batti lamp in your main gate, or you can light up in any temple also, or near the peepal tree. So this will help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face. Along with this, if possible, then try to feed cows green vegetables every Wednesday. Zodiac sign, that is Cancer. So this particular prediction is based on the Cancer moon sign and the Cancer Lagna and the ascendant. If your moon sign is Cancer or your Lagna or the ascendant is Cancer, then this particular prediction is for you. For you now, Saturn retrograde will end and now Saturn will move straight in your 8th house. 8th house, which is a house of sudden things happening in your life. It has been noticed that since last 4 and 5 months, you were struggling a lot mentally. You are not getting clarity in your life. Mental clarity was missing in your life, and you were having no goals, no vision. You were just living your life because there was lot of stress on you, especially in your love relationship and the relationship with the bosses also. So now you will be relieved, things will be better in your life, you will be going to get more clarity in your life. Whatever the confusion you were having in your love relationship and the marital life, things will gradually and slowly move. I can't say that 100% things will be solved successfully, but yeah, for you, you will be going to get more clarity in your life because of your love relationship and the married life. You were not getting any clarity in your life. There was no aim, and you may get sometimes ups and downs, very negative thoughts also. You were becoming very negative. So now things will better. You will become more positive. You will be more goal oriented. You will be more visions in your life. Relationship with your partner will be changed, and the relationship with your bosses will gradually and slowly improve. If you are stuck in office politics, then there is a high possibility you will be able to come out of the office politics also. And if your promotion is due, then the high possibility that you will be promoted also. During this time, you are going to get the sudden financial gains. So if your money is stuck somewhere, or if your family money is stuck somewhere, then there is a high possibility you will be able to become more creative. And if your ancestor property is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get that ancestor property. To overcome the challenges and ups and downs, and to overcome the challenges, the struggle, you have to do the remedies. Because why I suggest you to do the remedies? I suggest you to do the remedies so that before that any bad event happen in your life, you are prepared for it, and the intensity of that event will be less. So what you have to do, you have to do this remedy for 3 Saturdays. The day when you have watched this video, chant Hanuman Chalisa 11 times every Saturday, continuously for 3 Saturdays. On continuously for the 3 Saturdays, try to donate jaggery to some needy. Along with this, you have to chant Shiv Chalisa continuously in 2025 or the day when you have watched this video. Sign is Leo. So this particular prediction is based on the Leo moon sign or Lagna or the ascendant. If Leo is your moon sign or the Lagna and the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. Now for you, the Saturn retrograde will be ending, and it is going to sit in your 7th house. 7th house, which is a house of the partnership, which is house of the marriage. So it has been seen that since last 4 to 5 months, you are facing a lot of problem in your marriage life. Ego clash is being seen. So now things will become better gradually and slowly. There will be more understanding between you and your partner. If you are stuck in any legal case, then it is seen that there is a delay in the legal case. Like if you are stuck in any divorce case, then you must have noticed that there is a delay in your case. But now Saturn will move straight. So whatever the delay you are facing right now, so things will be moving fast for you. So if your business is not growing, now you will be seeing that you will be going to get new business opportunity. Your business will started growing. The relationship with your father, relationship with your bosses was impaired. So now gradually and slowly you will see that the improvement in the relationship with your father as well as the relationship with your bosses. If your promotion was due since long, you are putting a lot of hard work but you are not getting the appreciation in your hard work, then now you will be getting the promotion also. So this is overall a good time. You are going to see a overall improvement in your life, and things will become much better for you. Facing health related problem, then gradually and slowly you are going to see an improvement in your health also. To overcome the challenges and to start prepare for 2025, being Saturn is not so favorable planet for you, so what you have to do is that try to do Chaya Dan continuously for 11 Saturday. It will help you to overcome the challenges and the problems. Sign is a Virgo. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the Lagna and the ascendant. If Virgo is your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Saturn is sitting, now Saturn retrograde is ending and Saturn will sit in your 6th house straight. So it is seen that since last 4 to 5 months you were more lazy, there was no aim, and there were no goals in your life. So now you will see that things will become better in your life. You are going to get more clarity of mind. If your relationship with your colleagues or the bosses was not good, now you are going to see improvement in your relationship also. If you are stuck in the legal case, then there is a high possibility you will be able to come out of the legal case fast. If you are facing health related problem, then you will be going to see that the recovery is getting soon for you. If your money is stuck somewhere, if you are into a business and your money is stuck somewhere, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. So during this time, mentally you will be more relaxed, mentally you will be going to get more clarity in your life. Because of your communication, there is a problem you are facing in your marriage life and the love life also. So there also, with the mutual understanding, things can become better for you. So overall, this will be a good transit for you. You are going to see a lot of improvement to overcome the challenges. You, for 2025, being now 2025, Saturn is going to move in your 7th house in the Pisces. So prepare yourself for that and try to do the remedies. The day when you have watched this video, what you have to do, you have to do the Chaya Dan continuously for 5 Saturdays. Along with that, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. It will help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face because of the Saturn in 2025 after March. Libra. So this particular prediction is based on moon sign and Lagna or the ascendant. If Libra is your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Saturn retrograde is going to end, and now Saturn will move straight in your 5th house. 5th house, which is connected to your entertainment, children, it is connected to the creativity also. So it has been noticed that since last 4 to 5 months you were very lazy, you are not so goal oriented, and you are not able to take the actions in every work that you do. There you are going to face a delay. You have received a lot of opportunities in between 4 to 5 months, but that opportunities never get materialized. So now it's a good time. You're going to see an improvement in your relationship with your children and your family. Your family money will increase. Overall, you are going to see a growth in your business. If your money is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. If you are looking to start a new business, or you want to start a business with your family member, then this is a good time to go ahead. You will be able to start it successfully. Your relationship with your children and the partner will be going to improve, and now you will be a person with a more positive mindset, because for you Saturn is a main planet. Saturn is a yoga karak for you. That was retrograde, that was making you more negative during this time. You are facing health related problem also, but now gradually and slowly things will become more positive for you. There will be more creativity inside you. So for Libra people, this is a life changing event for you. You will be going to get a lot of new opportunity till March. Work on it, take that positively, and try to do the remedies so that you are overcoming any type of problems that you may face after March 2025, because then Shani is going to move into the 6th house. What you have to do, you have to offer cooked food to the needy, or speak to the handicaps and the laborers, and try to chant mantra Om Sham Shanachara Nama. It will help you a lot to enhance your Scorpio, and this particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the Lagna and the ascendant. If Scorpio is your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Saturn retrograde is ending, and now Saturn will move straight in your 4th house. 4th house, which is a house of the property, which is a house of the comfort, and it is also the house of the mother. It has been noticed that since last 4 to 5 months, your mother may face a problem. You may face a problem in there is a delay in every work, and emotionally you were so much hurted emotionally, and there were a lot of sentimental around you. So it is seen that after the Saturn is going to move straight in your 4th house, emotionally you will become more stronger. If your mother is facing health related problem, that will be gradually and slowly started solving. If you are looking to purchase a new property and you want to sell out the new property, then this is a good time. If your promotion is due, or you are looking for a job change, then this is a good time to change a job. If you have lost a job in past months, then there is a high possibility now you will be able to get the job successfully. If you are looking for a construction of the house, then also this is a good time to go ahead. In every work you have seen a lot of delay. You become very neutral in your life. For you now, happiness is not a happiness, nor even the sadness is sadness, But now with the blessings of the Saturn, you will become more emotionally strong. There will be more happiness in your life. Overall your life will started moving, because it has been noticed that since past 4 to 5 months there is a delay in your life, there is a halt in your life, but now your life will started moving. If you are looking for a marriage proposal, and if you are going to take the action during this time, then there is a high possibility you will be started getting the marriage proposal, and your marriage will also be fixed. To overcome the challenges because of the Saturn, what you have to do is that try to feed ants daily sugar with atta. It will help you out to overcome the challenge. Sign is a Sagittarius, and this particular prediction is based on the moon sign of the Lagna. If Sagittarius is your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Saturn is going to sit in the third house. Third house, the placement of Saturn is a good placement. And third house, which is connected to your siblings, which is connected to the traveling, as well as your desires also. So it has been noticed that since last 4 to 5 months, you were struggling a lot in your life. Your luck was not your side. You were seeing the delay in each and every single things in the work. Your father health was also not good, but now you will be going to see a lot of improvement in your life. If you want to visit to a religious place, or if you are planning to travel since long, then this is a perfect time to go ahead. You are seeing losses or the problems in your business, then gradually and slowly you will be going to see an improvement there also. If your money is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your stuck money back. There is a high possibility you are going to earn a good amount of sudden financial gains from the foreign countries during this time. So if you want to start a new business, then also there is a good time. There is a lot of misunderstanding being seen in your relationship since past 4 to 5 months. Now you will be able to solve the relationship issues also, and career wise also you are going to see a more improvement. If you are looking for a job change since long, then this is a good time. If you look for a job, if you are going to take actions with the blessings of the Saturn, you will be able to get it successfully. To overcome the challenges in your life, what you have to do, try to feed cows bananas daily and listen to Vishnu Sahasna. It will help you. 10th sign is Capricorn. This particular prediction is based on the Capricorn moon sign and Capricorn Lagna. If your moon sign or the Lagna or the ascendant is Capricorn, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Shani retrograde is ending, and now Shani will move straight in your second house. Second house, which is a house related to your wealth, related to your speech, related to your savings, career and marriage. So now it has been noticed that last 4 to 5 months you have seen lot of problems in your life, in your career, in your business, overall in your family life, in your married life. Now things will be better in your life. You have to relax. If you are facing a problem in your career, now career related problem will be going to solve. If your ancestor property is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get that ancestor property. If you are looking to get married, and if you are going to take the actions, then there is a high possibility you will be able to attract the right partner during this time. It is seen that you have seen lot of problems money wise also. There is a lot of money which has been stuck in the foreign countries. So now you will be able to get your money back, and you are going to see an overall improvement in the quality of your life. To overcome the challenges because of the Saturn which you are facing, try to offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday, and to prepare yourself for 2025 for 5 Saturdays. Try to do the Chayadan, and the Chayadan link has already been shared. 11th sign is Aquarius, and this particular prediction is based on the moon sign, Lagna or the ascendant. If Aquarius is your moon sign, Lagna and the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. For you, Saturn retrograde is ending, and now Saturn is going to move straight in your first house, in your Lagna. This happened once in 30 years. So this is a great time for you. Overall your life is going to change. You have struggled a lot in your life since past 4 to 5 months. You have noticed all the delay in your work, misunderstanding with your family members, bad rumors about it, and lot of things you have faced in past 4 to 5 months. But now relax, things will become better for you. You are going to see an improvement in your career. You are going to see the relationship with your family members is going to improve. And as I told you that after 30 years this particular yoga will come. So try to work during this time. Try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. If you are looking to attract the right partner, take the actions. There are high possibility your marriage will be fixed. If you are looking for a job change, then and take actions, then you try to give more and more interview, you will be able to clear, you will be able to get the job easily. If you're looking to start a new business or you are facing a lot of delays in your business, then now time will started improving, your confidence will improving. You were becoming more negative during this time, but now you will see that you will be going to get more clarity in your mind, you will be going to become more positive, things will started working in you. As again I am repeating, this particular time comes once in every 30 years, and this is a time for you, Aquarius. Take the actions, it's a golden time for you. Take the actions and go ahead, move on in your life. Enhance your more luck, you should pray to Lord Shiva, offer water to Lord Shiva daily, and try to wear more white color clothes, and if possible then try to chant daily Namah Shivaya before you sleep 11 minutes daily. It will help you. As a Pisces, and this particular prediction is based on the moon sign, Lagna or the ascendant. If Pisces is your moon sign, Lagna or the ascendant, then this particular prediction is for you. Pisces, for you, Saturn retrograde is ending, and now Saturn will move straight in your 12th house. This is a life-changing event for you. You have already struggled a lot in your life in past 4 to 5 months. Now it's a time to grow. Now it's a time to get success, and now you will be going to get your happiness back. You will be going to see a lot of improvement in your career. You are going to get a new opportunities. Money wise things will be improving. You may start something new which you were just planning since last 4 and 5 months. Now it's a time for execution. Now it's a time to start something new. You are going to see an improvement in your relationship also. You are struggling a lot in your love relationship and marriage life. Now things will become better in your love relationship and the marriage life also. Overall, it is a good time for you. If you want to settle down in the foreign country, then this is a good time. If you are already settled down in the foreign country, then this is a good time. You are going to get more success during this time. To enhance your more luck and to overcome the challenges, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. It will help you a lot. If you like the video, then don't forget to share this video with your loved one and the family members. And for any questions if you have related to the Saturn retrograde, you can ask me on the comment. I will be going to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.